Hello and welcome, students. In this tutorial, we are going to dive into the exciting world of video editing using Blender. Blender is a versatile software that allows us to edit animations and videos to create content that shines. Let's get started. First, make sure you have Blender software installed. Now, open Blender and follow these steps. Click on the video editing option. Once you are in the video editing workspace, let's configure the interface for our needs. Press Ctrl+N and then click on General to switch the interface. Now, switch back to the video editing interface. Again, press Ctrl+N, but this time, click on Video Editing. Great! We are all set up. Blender's video editing workspace is designed for editing animations and videos. To start working, we need a video to edit. Let's import one. Take a look at the Blender interface. There are 3 panes at the top and 2 at the bottom. Let's identify them. The first pane at the top left corner is the File Browser pane. The second pane is the Preview pane. The third one at the top right is the Properties pane. Now, let's focus on the 2 middle panes. The first pane at the bottom is the Video Sequencer pane. The second one at the bottom is the Tools and Proxy pane. Finally, let's explore the bottom pane, which is the Timeline pane. It's essential for editing and consists of play button options and the current, start, and end frame settings. And there you have it. We have covered the basics of getting started with Blender's video editing workspace.